Have you ever dreamed of writing a novel but felt stuck at the first blank page? Maybe you have a brilliant story idea, but when it comes to putting words on paper, the process feels overwhelming. Or perhaps you've started writing multiple times, only to give up halfway through because the inspiration faded. The good news is that artificial intelligence is changing the game for writers. AI tools can help with everything from brainstorming ideas to structuring your plot and even refining your prose. Whether you're an aspiring novelist or a seasoned writer looking for an edge, AI can be a powerful creative partner. AI won't replace human creativity, but it can enhance and accelerate the writing process in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Instead of struggling through writer's block or spending weeks researching story ideas, you can now collaborate with AI to make your novel writing journey smoother and more efficient. But how exactly does AI help with writing? What tools should you use? And how can you ensure that your story still feels original, personal, and uniquely yours? Let's dive deep into how AI can assist in writing a novel, from the initial concept to the final draft, using AI for character development. Characters are the heart of any story, and AI can assist in creating rich, multi-dimensional protagonists, antagonists, and side characters. AI can suggest names, personalities, backstories, and even character arcs. Try inputting something like, "Give me a unique character idea for a fantasy novel." AI might respond with, "Leora, a blind warrior who can see through the eyes of crows she has befriended. Tavian, a cursed prince who forgets his identity every full moon. Alara, a rogue scientist in a dystopian world where books are illegal." Beyond just names and quirks, AI can help develop character motivations, flaws, and arcs that align with your plot. A good story isn't just about what happens, it's about who it happens to and why it matters. Structuring your plot with AI. One of the biggest challenges for writers is structuring a story so that it flows naturally, keeps readers engaged, and delivers a satisfying conclusion. AI can help outline different storytelling structures, such as the 3-act structure, the hero's journey, or the Save the Cat beat sheet. By inputting your basic story idea, AI can generate a detailed outline, breaking down key moments like the inciting incident, the moment that sets the story in motion, rising action, the conflicts and challenges your protagonist faces, the climax, the pivotal turning point where everything comes to a head, the resolution, how everything wraps up. For instance, if your novel is about a young musician trying to make it big, AI might structure it like this. Act 1. A struggling musician gets a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity but must leave everything behind. Act 2. They achieve success but face personal and ethical dilemmas. Act 3. They must decide between fame and staying true to their passion. This can serve as a roadmap to keep your novel on track, reducing the likelihood of writer's block, avoiding AI over-reliance. While AI can generate text, it's crucial to remember that storytelling is deeply personal. AI can assist, but the best writing comes from a human touch. Instead of copying AI-generated text verbatim, use it as inspiration, adapt, edit, and infuse your voice into it. Good storytelling involves nuance, emotion, and layers of meaning that AI may not fully capture. Use AI to break past writer's block, brainstorm new angles, and polish your prose, but let your unique vision guide the story, editing and refining your novel with AI. Once your first draft is complete, AI tools can help refine and improve your work. Grammar checking tools like Grammarly and PriorityGate can catch typos, grammatical mistakes, and awkward phrasing. Beyond grammar, AI can suggest improvements in pacing, tone, and clarity. If a sentence is too vague, AI might suggest a more precise alternative. If a passage feels too slow, AI can recommend tightening it up. Some AI tools can even provide a readability score or highlight overused words, helping you create a smoother reading experience. Publishing and marketing with AI. Once your novel is polished, AI can help with the next steps: publishing and marketing. AI-driven design tools like Canva or Midjourney can help create a book cover. AI-generated blurbs can summarize your novel for potential readers. Marketing tools powered by AI can help you find the right keywords, optimize book descriptions, and even generate social media content to promote your book. Platforms like ChatGPT and Jasper AI can craft engaging promotional material, while AI analytics tools can help you target the right audience. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way novels are written, making the process more accessible and efficient for writers at all levels. It's like having a creative assistant who never runs out of ideas, never gets tired, and can help refine your work to perfection. But AI is just a tool, it's up to you to wield it effectively. The heart of storytelling will always be human emotion, creativity, and passion. AI can assist, but it can't replace the spark that makes a story truly unforgettable.